I'm Carl Hoffman, Director and Conveyancer at HSG Attorneys, and we're here at Palm Lakes Estate on the north coast of KZN. HSG Attorneys are based in Westville, KZN, and we are property, environmental and planning law specialists, as well as conveyancing and notarial practice. We're a boutique law firm specializing mainly in property law. One of the estates that we're involved in from a property law and conveyancing perspective is Palm Lakes Estate, where we are here, as well as a number of low-income government housing projects on the conveyancing front. HSG Attorneys are unique mainly because of the age of the directors. We're a very young law firm, very young boutique law firm, as well as how we do things, how we specialize in things. We are a law firm based very much on the team element rather than the individual element, as well as empowering and educating our staff as best as possible. Our company vision for the future is certainly to bring some of the younger associates through into roles of directorship, to grow our footprint of the company into both Johannesburg and Cape Town. HSG benefits from being in GeoAfrika by the associations with the other companies. We rely on the other companies for support both on a project basis and to find work, and we also find work for a lot of our partners as well. And again, it goes back to a team element. Rather than having projects where you have one conveyancer, one land surveyor, we see ourselves as rather a team that provides land surveying, conveyancing and GIS services.
At HSG Attorneys, our environmental law section focuses on providing the opportunity for our clients to develop in a manner that encompasses sustainability principles. Sustainability requires alignment with both planning, development and environmental law. In addition to our legal offering, HSG offers an in-house environmental management division assisting clients with applications, authorizations and environmental control monitoring.
What makes HSG unique is the fact that it has mastered the arts of drawing inspiration, expertise and knowledge from the different companies within GeoAfrika. This has then allowed us to provide a world-class service to our clients within the built environment, as well as legal advisory services where property management and land acquisition is concerned.
I'm Jacques de Villiers. I'm a director at HSG Attorneys specializing in planning and environmental law. The way that HSG Attorneys sees the future of law and our role in that future is certainly a role for attorneys which is more collaborative with other specializations. And we like to see ourselves as a non-traditional law firm, and the way that works is that in traditional law firms you see quite a siloed approach in terms of the teams working in their own departments and under their own specializations. Internally, we like to ensure that the collaboration also happens within HSG itself, so that all of the staff and attorneys are able to get information, get feedback, get other perspectives on a matter, as opposed to just working in isolation.
Hi, I'm Pranisha Chetty. I'm the CFO of Royal Palm Property Holdings, which is the development company of Palm Lakes Family Estate. I've had the pleasure of working with HSG for 16 years, which is the entire time that I've worked for Royal Palm Property Holdings. So I find HSG attorneys to be very proficient, professional, and deliverably with everything on time. I would say HSG is basically our all-round go-to company.
Where I see HSG going in the future is, as we mentioned, we're a non-traditional law firm, and the way we do things, we showcase who we are as directors, and a lot of people who come in, young people who come in, see that as well, and they mention the way we do things is different. I see a lot of younger people who come in and become attorneys learning from that.
HSG Attorneys, a non-traditional law firm specializing in project-based legal consulting and property planning and environmental law.